Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a second account in Amazon. This is really useful if you want to switch between multiple Amazon accounts without having to log out and log back in each time. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Amazon homepage where we can begin the process of adding your second account. Now move your mouse to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover over this option and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, click on Switch Accounts. This feature is specifically designed to help you manage multiple Amazon accounts seamlessly. Once you click Switch Accounts, you'll see a new page that shows your current account. Here you need to click on Add Account. This button allows you to link another Amazon account to your browser, making it easy to toggle between them whenever needed. On the next screen, Amazon will ask you to enter either your mobile number or email address associated with the second account you want to add. Type in the information and then click Continue. This step verifies which account you're trying to add to your Switch list. After clicking Continue, you'll be prompted to enter your password for that account. Go ahead and type in your password and then click Sign In. This confirms your identity and ensures that you have proper access to the account you're adding. Now, Amazon may ask you to solve a quick puzzle for security purposes. Complete the puzzle and then click Confirm or Submit to proceed. This verification step helps protect your account from unauthorized access. And that's it. You've successfully added a second account to Amazon. Now you can easily switch between your accounts whenever you need to without the hassle of logging in and out repeatedly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.